What's the meaning of binding theory? Binding theory. Binding theory.
Binding theory. Binding theory. Binding theory is a linguistic concept that explains how pronouns and noun phrases refer to entities in a sentence. The theory suggests that anaphors, i.e. pronouns, must be bound by a coreferential antecedent, usually a noun phrase. In other words, the antecedent and the anaphor have to share the same reference. The theory also distinguishes between weak and strong crossover, where weak crossover allows for the possibility of the antecedent being in the same clause as the anaphor, while strong crossover does not. Binding theory has been influential in explaining various linguistic phenomena, including reflexive pronouns, quantifier scope, and long-distance dependencies.